Welcome back, children. So now we'll discuss about circles 12.4, the first problem. Okay, so the given information is only one thing: angle AOB at the center, that is 100 degrees. Look at where is AOB? Yeah, here angle AOB 100 degrees, right? Now is asking us to find angle ADB. Angle ADB, yes, right. So look at I said many times, here the angle AOB opened downwards. So this angle having a relation with this one, correct? Right? Right. So here I'll write angle ACB, that is equal to angle AOB by 2. That means at the center it will be large angle. At the remaining part it will be half of the angle. Look at 100 by 2, it's nothing but 50 degrees. Correct? Right. But if you look at beta, ACBD, the 4 out of 4 points on circle only. So they made a closed figure with 4 sides, it's a quadrilateral, and 4 out of 4 vertices on circle. So this kind of quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. Is a cyclic quadrilateral. So one of the property in a cyclic quadrilateral, that is sum of opposite angles make supplementary. Supplementary means, I hope you know, 180, correct? So already here we got it angle 50, am I right? So simple, angle ACB plus angle ADB, that makes 180, correct? ACB we know is 50, 50 plus angle ADB is equal to 180. So angle ADB is equal to 180 minus 50. Angle ADB is equals to 130 degrees, right? 130 degrees, right? It's our first problem. And second problem is about a circle with center O, A, B, C, D, correct? Right. Oh, and here the 40 degrees, I think. Then find BCD angle. Triangle BCD. Angle BCD. Yeah, here C, here D. C, D, right. This angle we have to find, correct? So many ways to find this problem. First thing, look at O is a center, am I right? OA is a radius, OB also radius. So these two angles sides are equal. So in triangle AOB, so two sides are equal. AO is equal to OB. So simple, we'll write angle A is equal to angle B. That's nothing but 40 degrees. Look at here also we get 40, correct? But we know angle A plus angle O plus angle B is equal to 180. Sum of the three angles 180. But we know already sum of 280. So angle AOB is nothing but 180 minus 80, sum of 2, correct? So I'm talking about single angle. So we got it 100 degrees, right? So here 100 degrees, right? Right. Now, so two things we can do. Either we can check the congruence of the triangles, we can conclude both triangles are congruent. So latter will decide the angles. Or else we'll write angle AOB, that is equal to 100 degrees, that is equal to angle COD, because they are vertical opposite angles, right? So the 100 comes to here also, correct? 100 degrees. Later what happened? OC is equal to OD, correct? OC is equal to OD in triangle COD, because both are radius only. So radius, the length of the radius will be equal in the entire circle. So simply here we'll write angle C is equal to angle D, correct? Simple 100, rest of the two 80. because sum of the three angles 180. So therefore, as we know, BCD is equal to, that means angle C is equal to, total we have 80 we should divide into two equal parts. So each part is 40 degrees. Right. Third question beta. Yes, third question. A circle with a center O and a PRR joined to the center. It's O. And Q is another point on circle. It's Q. And S here. Right. At the center it's making a 120 degrees of angle. Then find the angle of PQR and also find the angle of PSR. Right. So given information is angle POR is equals to 120 degrees. Correct? Look at the angle open downwards. Am I right? Right. So here the angle PQR having a relation with angle POR off. Correct? I said at the center it will make more angle. Correct? So I'll write 120 degrees by 2. So simple we will calculate 60 degrees. Yeah, 60 degrees. Next, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So sum of opposite angles make 180. So simply I can take here 120. Or else, look at center O, major angle PQR is equals to POR is equals to, look at major angle in the sense it is 120. A complete rotation around the point represent 360 degrees. In that a part is 120 but the rest of the part is 240. Am I right? Correct? More. Correct? If to represent complete rotation. So major angle is nothing but 360 minus minor angle of angle POR. So I am talking about same POR, one larger part, smaller part. So simple 360 minus 120, answer 240 degrees. Correct? 240 degrees. Right. Next, look at here the angle opened upward. Here the PSR also opened upward. Now both are having relation. So therefore angle PSR is equals to angle POR, major angle, by 2. So major angle we got it 240 by 2, that is 120. RL same will write PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So sum of the opposite angles make 180. So from that also we get answer. Okay, don't bother about it. Next question, fifth question we'll see. Yeah, so simple, given measurements are OM is equal to 3 centimeters, AB is equals to 8 centimeters. Then find the radius of the circle. Just R we should find, right? So look at AB is a chord and perpendicular drawn to the chord. OM perpendicular to the chord, divides the AB chord into two equal parts. Am I right? Right. So then I'll write AM is equals to MB but total length is 8. Am I right? So if you divide 8 into 2 equal parts, each length is 4. 4, 4, it's a 3 and it's a perpendicular. Am I right? So it's making 90 degrees angle. Yes, what is radius? Radius is a distance from center to any point. Okay, now take a, it is a center. It's a point on, correct? So here a radius is OB. Now we should find the value of OB. But look at beta, in triangle OMB, it is right angle triangle. So simple, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse is nothing but OB whole square is equals to base MB whole square plus OM whole square. Simple, will write 4 whole square plus 3 whole square. Next 16 plus 9, it's nothing but 25. That is OB whole square is equals to. If you talk about only OB, then the square will become square root 25. Simple, 5 centimeters. So therefore we'll write the radius of the circle is nothing but 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Right. So few of the problems for you, and I hope you'll do those all things. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.